As you can see, last day we played, so we played 431 hands for a total of $57, and we ended up, almost 100 EV. So, well, I mean, I don't think you can get a smaller sample than this, but well. Now, jamming river. Please. Oh, yes. Oh, he goes for the call with a 6-5. Interesting. Very interesting. Should be fun to play as well. Especially when these guys here are like not targeting the recreational at all. Like we get to play very comfortably. Here there were a lot of checks, and now I have his high, and I think I get to call. Okay, he has his queen. That's pretty strong. 9-7. Yes, calling, I think. Yeah, seems quite aggressive, so we prefer just allowing him to go for the barrels. Okay. I was thinking we were gonna lose another pot versus whatever hand, but not anymore. We're gonna go for the almost all-in. Okay, now he has the bluff. Now when we have the nuts, he has the bluff, huh? Okay, Jack's going for the 3-bet. Cannot go too huge because he seems to be folding. He seems to be folding versus the 3-bets. So now I'm gonna bet small because I saw him being aggressive before. Versus a C-bet. Okay, he was not aggressive now. And I just gonna... Like, this should be a bad turn, obviously. I don't think it is a bad turn when we are talking about a 90x. And now... same thing. If he has it, he has it. Okay, he has it. Run it once. Nope, we don't get it. Okay, now here we're gonna go 5 big blinds. It's not a hand that wants to play very big sizes, I don't think. Even versus this guy. Now, this is a board that we're supposed just to go very aggressive on. And same thing now versus when you think about a 90x, he has such a wide range that you can go any situation, you just can go 3 streets and get enough fall equity versus this guy. Today we're not getting, what the fuck? Even then now, like, I don't know, he could have any hand. He could have a king, a random 6, any hand here. It's not the best river because he's gonna be having some ace-6, then some and he could be doing this with a 5 or a 4 or whatever. So I'm just gonna raise, or also a king. He's gonna be, okay. So, Skratax said, you raise on the river with 9-7 having trips. What would be a good bluff there? What kind of hands? That was a hand versus a recreational, so we shouldn't really be looking to think about what hands are good bluffs. We just should be thinking if he's going to be folding enough. And this guy, when he's playing 90% of the hands, he's going to have, as I said, I'm playing so aggressively versus him for a reason because, when you take into account that he has literally like Jack 4 off, 5-3 off, or whatever hand. Yeah, you need to play super aggressively all the time, both bluffing, bluff catching, bluff raising, everything. So in that situation, I would bluff any hand that doesn't have any showdown versus this guy. Like, I wouldn't go all in, but I would raise for a small size, as I did with the Queen 8, because yeah, he can have so many bluffs, like probably like I don't know, like 60% of his hands are gonna be, or 70% of his hands are gonna be pure air. So if you don't have showdown, you just need to win the hand somehow, and if you cannot call, then it has to be by raising. So okay, we can forward or call. We're pretty deep, so I think calling makes a bit more sense. Okay, good flop. Now, here we went for a squid with Queen 10 suited. His queen I'm gonna bet at least once. And yeah, with the Queen 10, I flop a top pair versus the very, very big recreational. Okay, we're not hitting the best turns. I think I prefer checking back because it's gonna bluff river with so many random hands. Yeah, I think I prefer just, like, knowing that he's an aggressive guy, I think I prefer just checking back for sure. Ace Queen though, well, I mean, here, calling Queen 10 all day. Okay. Ace Queen, he checks, we are very deep. Yeah, and we're getting calls by those kind of hands. And here, I mean, to me this doesn't look like a size that would be played with a flush. So just going to raise. It was a single raise, but blind, big blind, which I c-bet flop, and then went for the check on the turn. He goes, okay, he goes for the stab, but in a very middling size, which seemed quite bluffy, and I just raised. Now we gotta play heads up. Table 3, we're targeting the recreational one more time. Let's try and win this time. Ooh, we get a call by button, okay. Well, we're trying to get in the pot versus the recreational. I could bet half pot actually, that would be an option. Well, I mean, his range is quite strong. I don't think I have much fold equity here, so I think he's gonna check and check fold. Okay, he checks back. How many 10x is he gonna be holding? And how many pairs? Like, I could be checking here. Yeah, I think I like this. I think it's very hard really to play nutted hands as a check in that situation. So yeah, I think it makes sense to put pressure on the river because he could be holding a lot of ace jack, queen jack. Even queens. King X. 10x, yeah, I don't think he's gonna be calling that many 10x. Pre-flop versus the 8x. King Queen calling the 3-bet. He goes half pot. Okay. Oh my god. I mean, it looks very nutted, obviously, but I mean, King Queen. King Queen. Can I really fold this? Oof. I mean, it could be holding the same hand. Wouldn't be that weird, but then is he gonna be holding these kings? Is it? It's probably not that bad to fold here. Probably it's too much with King Queen. Like I would fold Queen 10. Probably King Queen is too much. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I know he can have these kind of hands, but I'm not even sure if I actually get the equity even when he has these hands. Yeah, I'm actually not sure. Because if he is holding combo draws and then ace queen, aces, kings, yeah, it's not good for my hand. But well, and here we're gonna flat on the small blind. Okay. Hopefully we don't get punished. Now, yeah, I think this is gonna check raise. And go 3 streets, unless there are hearts. Okay, that's not a heart. That is nice. Please hold again on the turn. Sorry, on the river. Fuck, this looks nutted. Oh man. The 2%? Can it be a 5? No. Okay, we get punished for the loose call on the small line. Nah, I think it's totally fine.